As the flames threaten to spread to the building, he immediately springs into action. Using his patrol car, he begins to push the driverless, flaming truck through the lane. And just in the nick of time,
The 22. I have pushed the truck away from the building. I'm not sure if the structure's actually caught in fire, but the truck is in the parking lot now.
According to news reports, the driver of the truck claims the fire started in the engine. Fortunately, he was able to get his family out safely before the fire took over. And thanks to the courage and quick thinking of the officer, nobody in the restaurant or drive-thru was injured.